Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, temperatures didn't change a whole lot today with the thick cloud cover. We had 40 for the low, 43, that's been it for the high, 64 your record high, -4 is your record low. We haven't gotten really any rain yet. We're going to get a little bit of some light rain during the early darkness hours tonight, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot, unlike the system that came through yesterday. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow. There's the amount of daylight. River stage is high in Terre Haute, 17.3. That's actually above flood stage. Could go about another 3 feet up. And then should start to crest after that. The rain tonight is going to be fairly insignificant, so that shouldn't really change much on the river. 40 at the airport in Terre Haute, but the humidity's high at 97%. Winds are northwest, but fairly light, only at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures are cool, but, you know, we're above freezing, so this is all going to be a rain event. Now, you get up here along Interstate 74, give or take. It's 35 in Crawfordsville and 36 in Champaign, so there could be a little bit of a wintry mix to the north. And I wanted to show you some cold air. These are wind chills, by the way. 0 in Billings, Montana, 6 below in International Falls, and 8 in Minneapolis. So there's a lot of cold air. We're going to tap some of that cold air by the second half of the weekend after a bigger storm comes through on Saturday. We'll talk about that in a second. That storm, by the way, is the one that you kind of see digging. We call it digging down here off the southwest coast. That'll be the one that we look for on Saturday. In the meantime, we have this one moving up, but you see the enhancement down here. This is an outbreak of some severe weather. And a lot of times what happens is that'll kind of suck up some of the moisture. So this is not going to be a huge rain event for us because the storms are going to take a lot of the moisture to the south, where they do have a tornado watch across portions of Mississippi and Alabama and into southern portions of Tennessee. Here at home, we have some rain showers moving in, and again, you get up here near Interstate 74, a little bit of a wintry mix, but again, that's going to be lifting north. So for us, it's mainly just some light rain showers, nothing big. This will all end before you get up in the morning, or before most of you get up in the morning, so this is around 5, 6 in the morning, it's all gone. Then a lot of cloud cover around tomorrow, but temperatures warm up a little bit, and then as we head into the day Friday, during the daytime we'll be fine. I think most rain is going to hold off till late Friday night. That's the next bigger system as we head into the upcoming weekend. Rainfall, not a whole lot out of the system, probably a 1/4 of an inch or less, and some of you might not even get much over 1/10 of an inch. So it's not going to be a big rain event, just a little bit of rain tonight, ending by tomorrow morning. Next system, though, is bigger. As we take you into Friday night, getting into Saturday, here's about 2 p.m. on Saturday. Thunderstorm south. This will be an outbreak of severe weather, but south of this area, and could be a big snowstorm from Chicago back to portions of Iowa. Wouldn't shock me, on the backside of this Sunday morning, we see some snowflakes here because the colder air will pull in behind this. So we're going to go from some rain Saturday to probably at least some snowflakes on Sunday morning. And then behind that, really cold weather on Sunday before we see temperatures modify some as we head into next week. But the pattern is going to get pretty busy. I want to show you the temperatures. Watch what happens behind the storm for the weekend. Once it gets in here, you'll see the cold air plunge down into the area on Sunday. It'll modify some as we head into next week. But see that? There's a lot of cold air to the north. So watch all this cold air with time push us south. You'll see the clock there, and that's really pushing a lot of this cold air to the south. So when we look longer term now, the forecast for temperatures, this is Jan 6 to 12. Look at this. Below normal temperature forecast and above normal precip. So if you like winter, you're probably going to like January. Here's your forecast tonight. 38, mostly cloudy, rain early, won't last too long, should be 1/4 of an inch or less. Tomorrow, 48, a lot of clouds, but it will be warmer. And then after that, the big storm comes in Friday night, but before he gets here, temperatures will warm up to about 60 degrees. Rain on Saturday wouldn't shock me. It ends with some snow on Sunday morning. A lot colder, the high Sunday only at 25. Grant?
Thanks, Jesse. We're working our way